Ano ba yun? Happy birthday, Sexy! Ito ko pa ng birthday. Violet! Sabi ko sa'yo, pupunta ako. Anyway, hello! Happy birthday! Violet, happy birthday! More birthday! Ano? Sublock pa lang sa'yo ni Ted, di ba? Happy birthday, good luck and so happy birthday again. Love you. Happy birthday! Ang masasama si Cook. Ang ganda na ako kasi magkain nyo, ha? Oo nga. Oo nga. Invited ba ako?
The world spins around her, she laughs, rolls her eyes, and I feel like I'm falling, but it's no surprise, 'cause I love her with all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hands, 'cause it's frightening to be swimming in this strange sea, but I'd rather be here than on land. Yes, she's all that I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again. It's her hair and her eyes today that just simply take me away, and the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but in a good way. All the times I have sat and stared as she thoughtfully thumbs through her hair, as she purses her lips, bats her eyes, and she plays with me, sitting there slack-jawed and nothing to say, 'cause I love her with all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hands, 'cause it's frightening to be swimming in this strange sea, but I'd rather be here than on land. Yes, she's all that I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again.
Birthday nga pala, sorry. Kasi wala pala akong hindi authentic. Really happy. Ngayon ko nila sasabihin to. So, happy birthday, tsaka ano pa ba? Wala na. Wishes, and good luck na lang. Tsaka, yun. Pasensya na ulit ha. Wala akong video authentic. Sorry. So, ayun, siguro pinapanood mo to. Sabihin lang sa'yo. Sorry, late ako ha. Sige. See ya.
Whenever you're sad, carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches, build you a fire if the furnace breaks. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink, put you to bed when you've had too much to drink. Oh, I could be the man who grows old with